So Phil, it's been a little while since we've last checked in with the restoration. Do you want to just give us a quick walk around or just highlight
sure.
the big things that have either happened or are about to happen?
Sure. Yeah. All right, come around and I'll show you some things that we're doing currently. We've got the flight controls, the elevators and the rudders, and that all installed and working. We had an elevator back here and control stick up front, that's moving, and so that is all working. The tail hook is working. So, and then we finished up the cowling, which was a big deal because it's all custom made. And then now, and what we're doing now is we're putting on the stub wings here, the fairings for it. Boy, that's really, the guys are doing a great job. That's turning out really nice. Very pleased, very pleased actually. And now we're looking ahead, actually in a couple weeks after the open cockpit, we're gonna hang the wings and see about getting them wing folds going out and then coming back, and then work that we gotta do in the sub wing area here between the two sections. The landing gear is all set. It's all set, all working. The cowling here, really, I mean, you look at this with this heat shield here, where the exhaust pipes are, that's where the exhaust comes out of the engine, okay? And that's all custom made. I mean, those, you see the grooves and everything, that turned out well. Turned out really well. I'm really delighted, actually. So, yeah, we're in the throes where we're doing more finesse work, more and more finesse, little items that, you know, very few things are big items, I'd say, like hanging the wings. The wings are pretty well prepared, but there's still some work to do on them. Yeah. The engine has been done for quite a while. And so, yeah, what they're doing now is they're custom fitting that stub wing fairing. See, it stops here. So what they're doing is they're custom fitting those fairings on the left side of the airplane. And we're installing the seat too up there. You saw Larry fighting with getting some things aligned. That come as a surprise because I dry fitted that personally all myself. That the legs for the seat that the seat travels up and down on. So yeah, and then what our plan is, when we put the wings on, is we're going to move the plane forward. We'll move this equipment probably behind where the space we create, and then the wings could be out, okay, and then they can swing back along the fuselage. So that's going to be probably about the middle of February. We'll be hanging the wings, so that's going to be a pretty big event. So, and that's where we're at right now. We've come into a phase where we're doing final assemblies, final fits, doing what we call, like when I call it dry fitting. When we hang those wings, I want to know that we have all the nuts, all the bolts, all the screws. They're all kitted up so that when we go hang them the final time, because we got to take the wings back off in order to get them into the paint booth and to get the airplane into the paint booth. So it's kind of fat. So, but that's it. That's where we're at.
What's the timeline still for this airplane?
Oh, I don't know. You know, that's a good question. I'm hoping maybe for the original April date, but you know, it might go. We'll have it done by June. I'm fairly confident. Everybody's fast at work and actually running out of work for people to do. But then that's what I'm here for, is to say, okay, we need to do this next. Let's do the seat. Let's get the wings on, that kind of thing. And then we start planning. Because when we move this plane ahead, you get that platform that we'll have to do something with. Because it'd be kind of nice to have something, access to the cockpit for various reasons, you know, during that home stretch that last couple, 3 or 4 months. So, yeah.
Exciting.
Yeah, it is. It's very exciting, really. It is, and the canopy and the windshield, that's a pretty complicated assembly. That windshield, that whole front area, we got most of it made, but there's a special piece of Lexan that we got to have formed so that it can go, and that's the part that's right in front of the pilot, you know, where he looks up and out above his windscreen in front of him. So once we get that, and then we'll be able to bring that home. Probably, I would say, a month or two. Once we get that part, in a couple months, we'll have that windscreen and canopy complete or close to complete.
Exciting.
And that'll really look nice. I mean, you look inside that cockpit, and I think things pop. I mean, it just looks so nice. Everything's there, pretty much, and we got the open cockpit here. So everybody, come on out and see the airplane.